see the last chapter from Contemporary World History. So you may please take chapter 17, Non-Aligned Movement, page number 247. Non-aligned movement. First of all, you should know what is the meaning of non-aligned movement, and it is given in the first paragraph itself. Non-aligned movement literally means a policy of not joining or aligning with any of the two power blocks, but to remain friendly with both the blocks and to follow an independent foreign policy. So first of all, you should understand the different blocks, the two blocks that we already learned when we studied about the Second World War. And if you take page number 223, there more information you will get about the two blocks. So after the Second World War, Cold War started and the countries were divided into two blocks. The entire world was divided into two blocks, American bloc and Russian bloc. Some of the countries joined with the American bloc and some other countries joined with the Russian bloc. But some countries decided not to join with any of the blocks. So they formed non-aligned movement. Non-alignment, it means policy of not joining with any of the power blocks, but to remain friendly with both the blocks. They are not ready to join with any blocks, but friendly with both the blocks and follow the independent foreign policy. And the foreign policy of these countries won't be dependent on the policy of the power blocks. The non-aligned countries try to judge each issue on its own merit and do not follow the views of the superpowers. The superpowers were America and Russia. The countries which join with the superpowers, they always look for the guidance of the superpowers, but the non-aligned movement or the countries which did not join with these superpowers, they had their own policy and their own opinion about the issues. And now we will see about the main architects of non-aligned movement. So in this chapter you have to study about the architects of non-aligned movement and the meaning of Panchashil. So the meaning of non-alignment movement we had seen. Now we will see about the architects of non-aligned movement, and that is given in the same paragraph itself, and you have to study the name and the country and exactly what is given in there in your textbook, that you have to study. The architects: Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru of India, Marshal Joseph Broz Tito of former Yugoslavia, Abdul Nasser of Egypt, and Sukarno of Indonesia were the chief architects of the non-aligned movement. So you have to study the name of the architects with their nationality. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru of India, Marshal Joseph Broz Tito of former Yugoslavia, Abdul Nasser of Egypt, and Sukarno of Indonesia. The same what is given in your textbook, the same you have to learn. And now we will see about the Panchashil. You may please take page number 249, Banton Conference. So there you will get the meaning of Panchashil. Panchashil, it is the 5 principles of peaceful coexistence. That is the Panchashil, and it was adopted during the Banton Conference. So Panchashil is the 5 principles of peaceful coexistence which was adopted at Banton Conference, and it has got 5 principles. So when the meaning is asked, you have to write the principles also. So the first one, mutual respect for each other's territorial integrity. Second one, non-aggression. The third one, non-interference in one another's internal affairs. Fourth one, equality and mutual benefit. And finally, peaceful coexistence. So the meaning of Panchashil, it is 5 principles of peaceful coexistence. So there are 5 principles. So you have to mention the 5 principles also. So only this much you have to study from this chapter. You may please go through the chapter and study thoroughly. Thank you. Have a nice day.